Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Tech 29. So today we have Infinix Hot 12 Play, which has 3 GB, 4 GB of RAM and 3 GB of additional RAM, that is virtual RAM, and it has 6000 mAh battery. So this costs around 30,000 in Pakistan market. So we can see that the specifications here are it's 64 GB plus 4 GB, and up to 7 GB it says that 4 GB you have the virtual memory. So it has octa-core processor, the network it is 4G, and it's on Android 11, 6000 mAh battery, which is quite nice. And the front selfie camera is of 8 megapixels with flashlight, and the rear camera is 13 megapixel. And the screen, the biggest turn off for me is the screen, that is 720 screen. So the screen is 90 hertz refresh rate, and rest it has USB type C, and there's some gimmick around X arena integrated space. So this is all, and so let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. So let's start. So this is our phone. So this is our device. So first look at inside what we got from the, this is the, I guess, the warranty card. What else we got in the box? It's charger, that might be let's see, it's 10-watt charger, and a USB type C, type A to type C, and we also got a plastic pouch with it. So that's pretty nice that still we get power brick and charging cable and covering case. So if we talk about the phone, let's clear up some mess. The phone is the same. So let's unwrap the phone. To be very honest, the phone has pretty solid feel, and if you look at it, the design is it depends on choice, but it's pretty nice. The cameras are huge. This is the fingerprint sensor, and it has only front firing scripts at the bottom. This is the USB type C, and this is the headphone jack. That's pretty rare nowadays. So if we turn on the phone, it will be on setup. It will ask us for the setup. So this is the dual SIM phone, and it does not have a memory card slot in it. So rest overall it's pretty nice in this price budget, which is around 30,000 Pakistani rupees. So that is all. So if you have any questions, anything else, you can ask in the comment section, and if you like the video, kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.